y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I show you guys how I create this look. It's kind of like a peachy matte vibe using the Too Faced Just Peachy Matte palette. I haven't used that in a while and I figured it's Sunday, I don't have no plans, so why not break out an oldie but a goodie. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm already starting off with one of my lids already primed. I used the ColourPop No Filter Concealer to prime my lid, and I also just set it with some translucent powder. And we're gonna start off with the two colors Fresh Picked and Peach Cobbler, and then I just throw that in my crease. And because this is a transition shade, it can be messy, So next, what I'm gonna go in is the color Just Ripe, which is a really like pretty maroon purple, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease to kind of deepen it up. All right, and then what I do is I go in with that color Peach Tart, which is that brown, like right here. All right, so after you're done blending those shades all together, next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in for my lid. I'm gonna go in with the color Peach Tea right here. You can't see it, sorry. The lighting is just really strong, bad, whatever. And I'm gonna lay that all on my lid. So to get a more kind of like peachy tone color, I'm gonna go in with these two colors right here. One is called Peaches and Cream and one is called Fresh Picked. And I'm gonna go in with the Peaches and Cream first to kind of lay that right on top and lighten that color up just a tad. And then I'm gonna go in with Fresh Picked and I'm just gonna lay that right on top so that it could create that more so like peachy color. So that's pretty much all you have to do to finish up the eye. Super easy, super simple. I love it because it's an all matte look and it's easy, as you can tell. Just a few colors and we're good to go. So next I'm going to be applying some liner and I'm going to be using the CoverGirl liquid liner in the shade 320, which is just black. All right, and for lashes, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on this Violet Voss pair in the style Just Slayin, which is super cute, and that's what it looks like right there. So to prime my face, I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer. I'm really just gonna focus that where I've found that I have pores, which isn't too bad, but my skin has been changing here lately, which, I mean, there's a clear explanation, but I mean, I definitely slept on this primer. I forgot how much I really like it because it really does like have like that smoothing feel to it, and it definitely smoothed my pores. Okay, so for foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage foundation. This foundation is so full coverage. It's crazy. It smells like paint, and it's definitely putting a layer of paint on, let me cover that up, your face. But it is so full coverage, and it lasts, okay? it last. So I'm just gonna go in with my Wet n Wild beauty sponge and I'm just gonna blend this out. All right, so for concealer, I'm going to be going in with the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Liquid Concealer. This stuff is like, oh, it's so good. It's so creamy. Oh my goodness. And to set my eyes, I'm going to go in with the Seal the Deal Loose Setting Powder. This is not my favorite powder, to be honest, but I want to use it to just use it. All right, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with some bronzer. And the bronzer that I'm using today is the Morphe Bronzer like split pan thing. And it's in the color Fantabulous. And then I'm just going to use that to bronze my skin. Add a little bit of warmth back. I love warm bronzers. Like, I love redder, like more red bronzers. It is pouring outside. Okay, so I went ahead and just finished under my eyes, which I just took the two like darker colors, which is like Peach Tart and Just Ripe, and I just drug that under my eye to create that smoke, and then I just threw on some mascara. So now let me fix that blending, honey, because whew, it's a little bit harsh. I go in with the Makeup Revolution quad. It kind of looks like this. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. So I'm gonna go in with these two shades right here, just kind of mix and just see what I mean. And this quad was like, I think $12. It just goes on so beautiful. Take a little bit on my cheeks, but it's so pretty. I'm just gonna throw on just a little bit of blush just to kind of melt the highlight and the thing together. I'm gonna take ColourPop BFF3 and I'm gonna line my lips. How silly of me, I forgot my nose highlight. And then for lipstick, I'm going to take the ColourPop and Makeup Shayla collab in the color Ouuuuuu, which I haven't heard her say that in a while. And it's like a peachy color. And then last but not least, I'm going to throw some gloss on, and I'm just going to use the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the Universal shade. And I'm just going to throw some gloss over this. I don't really like that lip. And that's the finished look. I really like this. I really like this whole peachy matte going vibe. Honestly, I don't really like the lip though. I may have to like try to pair it with like a different lip liner, or maybe on its own with some gloss during the summer or something. I don't know. So yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like it. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and then subscribe down below to my channel. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.